Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Children, coronavirus disease is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. So that's why our school has organized virtual summer camp for all of you. I am your IT teacher Ramneek Kaur. I am here with an activity in which you are going to learn how you can create a poster on the computer. Today we will make a beautiful poster on the topic coronavirus. So let's start. Students, today I am going to tell you how you can create a beautiful poster in the paint. So let's start. On the desktop you can see one bar is there in the bottom. This is known as taskbar. In this taskbar you are watching one round shape button is there. This is called start button. We will bring our mouse pointer here. We will click on it. A pull down menu it will appear in front of you. Here you have to go to accessories firstly, but before that, first option which you have to select, that is all programs. First of all you have to select all programs, click on it. Then you have to go to accessories option like this, click on it. Here you will find many application programs. From these programs you need to select paint. So bring your mouse pointer on the paint option and just click on it. As you will click on paint, this type of screen it will appear in front of you. Now just see, in this screen that topmost bar it is known as title bar. Here it is showing untitled because so far we have not created any file, so it is showing here untitled. Once you will save your file, this type of untitled option it will not come on your screen. So now we will start making our poster. First you need to select the background color. Look at the color palette, it is displaying so many colors. Whichever the color you want, you select that one. After that, bring your mouse pointer on the fill with color tool present in the toolbox. After that, fill this screen with this color. Secondly, go to text box, click on it. Then drag it like this. Here we will be typing the slogan or whatever you want to show in your poster. Then select font style. Here so many font styles options are coming in front of you. You can select any from them. After this you need to select font size. It is giving you this size options. Whichever the size you want to select, you can select that one. I am selecting 48 font size. If you want to show your text in bold form, click on B button. Now text it will appear in bold color. Here you need to select now your font color. For font color again you will go to color palette, choose color from it whichever you want. Now start typing. So like this, you have to type your text in this text box. Now we will learn how can we add a picture in this poster. Firstly, we will go to paste option in the tools bar. We will click on it. We will get this option in it, paste from. So select this option, paste from. It will show you this dialog box. From here you have to select that picture which you want to paste in it. Select the picture and go to open button. So like this desired picture, it will be pasted in our poster. Suppose you want to make different copies of same picture. So for this, what you have to do, first I am just minimizing its size. After this, I will right click on it, then I will select copy option from the box, then I will place my cursor where I want to paste it. So in this way you can make different copies of this picture. Right click, click on the paste option. Right click, click on the paste option. So in this way you will be making different copies of the same picture. Now I am going to tell you about the view tab. Once you will click on it, it will show you this option, zoom in, zoom out. If you want to reduce the size of this current picture, you can click on this zoom out option. But if you want to increase the size of current picture, then you will click on zoom in option. So in this way you can create your own poster along with pictures in it. I hope you must have learned today how can you create your own poster in the Paste. So for today, that's all. Thank you very much.